So what you do is you get cool with the people that already are popular, bro. So now you're popular by association. For example, if I'm the most popular kid in school, but you being my friend the whole time with my mother, bro, now girls are gonna start looking at you. They'll be like, damn, that man Chris hanging out with me. That man Greg hanging out with Big LBR. Woo, woo, woo. Whole time, bro. Hey, man, you know who it is, man. LBRDEZ and Look Man Free back on another video for me. New subscribe about 40 for me. Subscribe about 40 for me. Like the video for me. Watch all the way through. You gonna listen. That's a fact whole time. But look, man, today we're gonna talk about what I'm saying. How to gain popularity in your city. What am my mother? I'm gonna break it down to y'all last. How you gonna go from a nerd to a jock? What am my mother whole time? But look, man, before I get into that, you already know what to say, right? Like the video, like that's a fan. I'm saying subscribe now if you ain't subscribed, man. Notification, you better get updated when I upload a new video. That's a fan. I'm saying leave that like. That's a fact. I'm saying leave that like, man. Big up y'all. Pretty as sexy. You see the hat on me. Stop playing with about bubble. I'm really sexy right now with about bubble. I mean always 24/7, 365. I'm basically the sexiest guy alive. Rhyming on accidentally, you know what I mean? Come on, bro. So leave that like. Yes, a fact, ladies. Come on, I know I'm the sexiest guy alive. Leave that like, you know what I'm saying? Leave a comment and comments down below how you feel about the video, and do the biggest thing out of all those, bro. Subscribe, man. Join the LBRGANG. Why could this the gang? That's a fact whole time. But look, myself the rip, y'all already know about to go in. Off the rip, my males and my females, the LBRGANG, which I gotta understand. Bro, I know y'all ass want to get popular, bro. I'm gonna break it down to you. Look, this what you gotta do, right? To gain popularity in your city, bro, this is for dudes that's in high school, college, whatever the hell, right? Understand, you gotta find the other lit kids in your city, bro. What am my mother? You gotta get cool with these dudes, bro, whole time. Understand this, bro. The people that's lit, I'm talking about the dudes that's on Instagram, bro, getting 300 likes, 400 likes within like the first hour. Like the dudes in your city, bro, who's really lit. Like they really be at all the house parties and all that. They be getting all the hoes, you know what I'm saying? They be in the walk, beating it down, you know what I mean? Beating backbone tracks. They be doing all the lit activities, you feel me, the whole time. You gotta get cool with these dudes, bro. Cause understand, a lot of y'all could get cool or get popular by association. This is how a lot of it starts, because a lot of you guys are not really like, you know what I'm saying, people that want to be the most popular kid. You know what I mean? You just want to have the popularity from it. So what you do is you get cool with the people that already are popular, bro. So now you're popular by association. For example, if I'm the most popular kid in school, but you being my friend the whole time with my mother, bro, now girls are going to start looking at you. They'll be like, damn, that man Chris hanging out with me. That man Greg hanging out with Big LBR. Woo, woo, woo. Whole time, bro. And now you're going to be like, everybody hate Chris. When the man Greg be like, dude, you're so in there. You know, exactly, bro. You're going to be in there like swimwear with my mother, bro. You're going to be getting all the hoes just because you know Big LBR. So your circle of influence, the people that you're associated with, the people that your 5 people that you know, the biggest people that you know in the city, whole time, bro. If you cool with them people, everybody going to be around you now. They be like, damn, bro, that man Chris hang with LBR, so he got to be lit because LBR lit as hell and he hanging with Chris. That mean Chris got to be official. What am my mother? Gangsta the whole time. So that's one of the ways, bro, you gain popularity in the city. The second way you gain popularity in your city, what am my mother, bro? Understand this. You got to stand out, man. You can't be dressing like everybody else, bro. You have to have some type of drip. You can't be wearing regular ass clothes, baggy ass jeans, thinking that you're gonna be the best dressed dude in the city, get the most popularity. It's not gonna happen to you, bro. Get your popularity contest head ass on. It's not gonna happen, bro. You have to be different. You gotta wear the Jordans. You gotta wear the Concords. You gotta wear all the goddamn hype beast ass shoes, the foam runners. You gotta wear the Yeezy slot. Everything that's mad lit at the time, you have to go purchase it, bro. You have to go out there, go to the store, buy the Adidas sweaters and all that, the Da Vinci hoodies and all that, and wear it to school or wear it to wherever you gotta go, bro. Go to all the functions too. That's a fact. You gotta be at every function, bro. You cannot not be at every function, bro. I'm telling you, bro. You have to be at every function, every house party, every goddamn fight. You have to be everywhere, bro. Everywhere, bro. And another thing you need to do on top of that, bro, is you gotta be lit. You cannot be no boring ass dude, man. You feel me? A lot of y'all asses be nerds trying to be popular. There's no way, bro. You have to be lit. When girls come around, they have to be like, damn, bro, this man LBR, mad vibe. Be like, I just mess with his vibe. Like his aura just so lit. He don't care about what nobody gotta say. He just do what he wanna do. You feel me? This is how you have to be. Because people in school who are popular, guess what happens? Guess what they have? They have the I don't give a fuck mentality, bro. Because they don't give a, you feel me? You ain't here giving a, bro. That's what a lot of y'all problem is, bro. You want to be popular, but you still give a F, bro. How you still give a, bro? The popular kids, bro, they don't care about nothing that the little goddamn beta male ass kids in the school got to say, bro. They the alpha males. They run the school the whole time, bro. Understand that, bro. Like, who's gonna run this town tonight? Like, yo, bro, they run the town, bro. You think the president care about a dude at Walmart gotta say? You think Joe Biden care about what you have to say? Hell nah. He don't even know your ass. You anonymous to him. Get your who is these? I don't know them. Head ass on, bro. It's like playing Where's Waldo. Like, we don't know who you is. You feel me? Understand that, gang? So understand this, my males and my females, bro. You have to stop caring about what everybody has to say about you. Because being popular, bro, gonna come with a lot of negativity the whole time. But you have to be comfortable, understand this, with you being the talk of the town, man. Because a lot of popularity comes with you being the talk of the town. Everybody know your business. You feel me? The whole time. So you better be in there, bro, making proper decisions. You don't want to be out there, bro, doing dumb stuff whole time, sharing clothes with dudes and doing all type of weird shit. Because I'm telling you, eventually, bro, since you're so popular now, all the kids know your story. You go on Instagram, you post your little story and all that. It get 500 views. Everybody in your city seeing it. Everybody from your classroom seeing it, all that whole time, right? Now everybody's in your business. So you have to move a certain way. You just can't move how you used to move, bro. You can't be showing everybody your girlfriend, because now other dudes that since you're popular, other people want to be popular too, bro. It's like a totem pole of life. What am my mother, bro? It's like a food chain. You at the top of the food chain. So only where you could go is back down, bro. What am my mother, gang? So understand, you gotta move a certain way, man. That's how I'm telling you. I'm giving you the little baseline of what you need to do to maintain your popularity, gain your popularity, and literally maintain the popularity, bro. Because a lot of y'all get popular, then y'all fall off. You basically the baby. What am I mother, bro? So understand that, gang. And realize this too, bro. You cannot take disrespect from anybody. I mean anybody. I mean anybody, bro. If anybody step to you, what am I mother, bro? You have to handle it like a gangster, bro. You can't let somebody, some dude lesser than you, disrespect you on the popularity totem pole, bro. You can't, because not everybody gonna look at you like, who the hell, LBR, you supposed to be this tough ass gangster, popular ass hood rich dude, and you letting this guy named Joseph disrespect you. You feel me? Like, come on, how it's gonna look. Now the female's gonna start questioning you, like, wait, I don't think he really like that for. He probably be faking the facade and all that, you feel me, the whole time. He not really a thug how he say he is whole time. That man a capper. Let me get his stolen identity head ass on. Get my identity theft mouth ass back. I'm in there stealing somebody else's identity the whole time because I'm really not a thug. So understand, bro, you have to really be on that, bro. You have to be ready for confrontations at any moment. I'm trying to tell you, bro, because being popular, bro, people gonna come up to you in school. They gonna spread fake lies about you. They gonna say you kissed this girl and that girl. You was talking smack about Big LBR and this other guy over here. You was doing this, doing that. You know what I'm saying? But you have to be in there, bro, shutting down all the fake conversation that people creating about your life, bro. So understand this. This is what comes with being popular the whole time. With my mother, bro. You need to understand this, bro. And on top of that, bro, the another thing that you need to do, bro, to maintain your popularity, gang, is you gotta be consistently posting on social media. Everybody nowadays is on their phone 24/7. With my mother, get their Apple customer support nose ass on. They on their phone like they work at Apple or something, bro. You know what I mean? So understand that, bro. Everybody on Instagram, like Mark Zuckerberg, bro. They on Instagram, they scrolling, they watching all the stories. They trying to see where's the next lit event about to happen. So understand, by you being popular now, you got all the clout in the city whole time. You them clout boys, you feel me? Like you really outside. Understand, you gotta post your story consistently. People gotta always wonder what you're doing. What am I mother? Get they Wonder Woman head ass on. Get they Stevie Wonder nose ass back. They always gotta be wondering what you're doing, bro. So you gotta show them the little money here and there. You gotta flex a little $400. You know what I'm saying? You gotta show off the chains and all that. You know what I mean? You gotta be with the bros and them. You gotta be with the gang and them. You gotta look lit. I gotta be in there slap boxing and selling weed and doing everything y'all doing. You feel me? Because they gotta sit there and want to live your lifestyle, bro. This is what being popular comes with. You gotta sit there, bro, and portray a lifestyle to people that, you know what I'm saying, that they want to aspire to be, but whole time they know they don't have the, you know what I mean, the inner will to actually go out there and try to be that person, bro. So understand this is all comes with being popular, bro. But understand deep down at the end of the day, none of this matters, bro. You want to be popular so bad. Get your dumb ass on. Get your nerd ass on. You want to be popular so bad. You in there watching the whole video like, oh, I'm going to take notes. Get your notepad head ass on. You want to be popular so bad, bro. At the end of the day, popularity doesn't matter, gang. Be yourself. Be authentic. Because a lot of the popular kids, bro, they fake as hell. What am I mother, bro? You gotta be fake kicking it with dudes. You gotta be faking it like y'all like each other the whole time. Y'all don't really like this dude for real. Oh, bro, I'm with Big LBR right now. We offer 2 mimosas and 3 grabber spliffs. Bro, you don't even, bro, you will rob me if it came down to it. You will smash my baby moms if I went to jail. Like, you feel me? You don't really like me, bro, but this is the whole act you gotta put on, bro. You gotta turn to a whole actor out here. Get your Steven Spielberg nose ass on. You gotta turn to a whole act out here, bro, just to be popular with dudes, bro. You gotta be posting up all in the Instagram stories, taking photos with them and all this whole time, smoking splits with them and everything, thinking that y'all cool whole time. I mean, we'll backdoor you tonight if you could. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? If he could, he would, bro. So understand that, bro. So stop trying to be popular, man. It's the whole point of the vid. Like, I gave you a little how to get there, bro. But in reality, man, just be your damn self. Because at the end of the day, bro, you don't want all them fake ass people around you in there spreading your business, talking about you behind your back, thinking that they care about you the whole time. Nobody in school really care a goddamn about none of y'all asses. And you're only going to be cool, bro, for so long. And especially if you lose a fight and you're popular, oh, you're done. It's over with. That's just getting passed around the city. What am I, mother, bro? Your popularity is over with. Advantage, gang, it's over with, bro. It's at zilch now. It's at 0. So you can't lose no fight. If you want to be popular, you better know how to fight. Because I'm telling you, you get your ass whooped. It's over with, bro. What am I, mother? But look, man, I say, do all these things, man. You're going to be good. You're going to be safe. Man, these are water some who? Big LBR. But look, man, I'm saying, like the video, like best of fan, I'm saying, subscribe if you ain't subscribed, man. Tell me you better get updated and upload other new videos. So fan, I'm saying, follow me on Instagram at LBRDEZ, LBRDEZ. Follow my other Instagram at LBRDEZ. YouTube here, from the description box in the comment down below. I need to do this. I'm saying, hit me one day in advice. Give me video ideas on my DMs, the comment below. I need to do this. A fact. I'm saying, I feel like I said that twice. I know I'll be tweaking with my mother. But look, man, follow me that TikTok, man, down to it's a fact. I'm saying, follow me that TikTok, man, down to it's a fact. I'm saying, rest of the way through. Best of fact. Me join LBRGANG. Watch this the game way. But look, man, I'm making a video. I'm doing that. But it took them around about to say, right? Bro, please do not try to do the things I said in this vid, bro. That's why I made the vid, bro. I know a lot of y'all want to be so popular in school, so I gave you the actual truth of how to get popular. But, bro, please do not do none of this shit, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Just be yourself. I got whopped by being big LBO. I've been myself, always going to be myself. I've been my authentic self my whole entire life. That's why I never had too many damn friends. But if I had you, if you is my friend, we tied in for life with my mother the whole time. So look, man, be your damn self, bro. Popularity isn't what it all cracked up to be, man. Because a lot of the time, after you leave school, you're not even going to see people anymore. So it doesn't even matter at the end of the day. So look, man, get you some WAP, though, for sure. I mean, being popular definitely gets you the WAP. I'm not going to lie. You definitely going to get their bag out, blur check. So actually, do everything in the vid I just said, bro, so you could get you some WAP. And after that, you feel me, just fall back, you know what I mean, and just be yourself. I was stuttering, but look, man, get you the WAP. But look, I'm out here, Bill, bro.